So this is problem set 1.4, and we'll just kind of go through here about what I'm giving you for work. If you look through 1 through 18, just a lot of minus signs there. You're just kind of going back and forth. Let's look at 18. It's got negative 5 minus negative 5. So remember what I said, when you have two negatives, you just make them positives. So now we have negative 5 plus 5. And what do we know? Signs are different. You take the difference between 5 and 5. There is no difference. And you don't worry about a negative sign because zeros don't have negatives. So that would be kind of how that first set of problems goes there. 19 through 44, you're using PEMDAS. Let's jump all the way to number 44. So we've got 30 minus, and then we've got a brace with a negative, and then inside another parenthesis we have 10 minus 5, and then we have 15, and we're subtracting 25 from all of that. So we're going to start out with what's here. And not only what's there, but we're going to start with the innermost parenthesis. So let's just do one little bit at a time. 10 minus 5 is 5. Now we'll do what's in the parenthesis here, but let's go ahead and rewrite that with plus signs. So the negative 5 doesn't change, but this does. Okay. Negative 5 plus negative 15 signs are the same, so we add them and put the sign there. And we still have the 30 minus, and we still have the minus 25. So we're going to change these symbols to 30 plus, well actually, now that I look at this, let's do this. I didn't even notice this first of all. I have two negatives side by side, so I'm just going to change that to 30 plus 20. And this one I'm going to change to plus negative 25. Okay, so because I had the two minus signs here, I can change that to plus. So 30 plus 20 is 50. Signs, I combine these. Signs are different, so I take the difference. Sign of the largest one is positive, so my answer is 25. So that gets you through 44. It actually should get you through 56. The only difference between 19 to 44 and 45 to 56 is you're using multiplication and exponents then. And 57 to, gosh, it looks like all the way to 80, it's giving you those phrases. So that's pretty much just practicing. If you look at 70, the difference between 5 and negative 8. Difference, minus, negative 8. Signs are next to each other, so we change it to plus. Difference between 5 and negative 8 is going to be 13. Okay, so it's those kind of problems. If you look at 72, it says a number minus negative 2. A number, we don't know what that number is, minus what? Negative 2. Two numbers, or two negatives next to each other is the same as writing it as x plus 2. So that's how you would do number 72. So other than that, you shouldn't have too much trouble with those. And that's it.